Welcome inside America's most advanced parrot breeding facility, where cutting-edge automation meets pristine care. Here, every egg is carefully monitored with precision robotics and state-of-the-art sensors. Automation ensures every step is flawlessly executed, from hatch to care. Specialized feeders provide exactly what each chick needs in a fully sanitized environment. In the nursery, advanced systems replicate natural habitats while maintaining unmatched hygiene.
Health checks are fully automated, ensuring every parrot grows strong and healthy. From their first moments, technology ensures comfort, safety, and precision care.
Every enclosure is meticulously sanitized using fully automated cleaning systems. Adult parrots live in spacious, controlled aviaries, monitored 24/7 by advanced sensors. Every interaction combines human expertise with technological perfection. Every egg is meticulously inspected with precision candling technology. Hatching is perfectly timed and monitored to ensure maximum safety. Robotic precision handles every chick with gentle care. Automated feeders provide perfectly measured nutrition to each bird. Advanced sensors track growth and health in real time. The nursery mimics natural conditions with exacting control. Dynamic perches keep birds active, all monitored by smart systems. Advanced sensors track growth and health in real time. Dynamic perches keep birds active, all monitored by smart systems. The nursery mimics natural conditions with exacting control. Even enrichment is automated, ensuring every parrot thrives in a healthy environment. Climate-controlled pods maintain perfect temperature and humidity for growth. Every egg moves seamlessly through the facility, fully automated. Every new life is carefully observed in a controlled, safe environment. Precision robotics maintain the perfect habitat at all times. Health checks are fast, accurate, and fully automated. Adult parrots enjoy spacious, technology-enhanced aviaries. Human care is integrated seamlessly with automation. Synchronized habitats keep every parrot active and stimulated. Even grooming is carefully automated for comfort and safety. From egg to parrot, every step is a blend of precision, technology, and care.